Do you have some old worn out motorcycle grips, or do you have like some cheese grater grips like I have on my DR650 that just are not very comfortable? We're gonna try the Wilson Cushion Pro Comfort Replacement Grip, which is just a less than $6 grip for tennis rackets. And we're gonna try this today to see how it does, to wrap this grip to make it a little bit more comfortable. And I have a little White Rain unscented extra hold hairspray, just dollar store hairspray. And I'm gonna spray some of this on the grip because that glue will adhere and make this grip stay a little bit longer and a little bit better. Okay, so just wrap it like you would a tennis racket. Come up through here, add a little pressure to it as you're going, and pull the paper away. As you wrap, make sure it's good and tight. Make sure it's really good and tight as you go. And wrap on around there. Pull it good and tight, just like you would a tennis racket. Pulling that paper loose as you get closer to the end. And then, oh yeah, that feels so much better already. So much better. Oh my word, that's really nice. Now you can come back in with the Wilson tape that comes with it, but I may just leave mine for a little while and see how it does. Anyway, that's a good way to make your grips more comfortable without having to take everything loose. Like I would have had to take these Barkbusters off. I didn't really want to do that, so I'm going to try this and see how well it works. Thanks for watching.